Hi there, I am Shadrach Anekwe, the Chief Executive Officer of Your Health, Your Wealth Enterprises. I want to tell you about our product, Infewipe. In June 2019, I stopped having an erection. Meanwhile, it developed from weak erection to very serious weak erection and transgressed to potency, which we now call erectile dysfunction. Fortunately, I'm not living with my wife, but this fateful day, I traveled to meet her. Unfortunately, I didn't have Viagra with me, and as a result, I could not perform. You can guess what the story would look like. I started making research as to how to be able to cure myself using very natural products without any side effects, and my research gave rise to this product, Infewipe. Are you suffering from erectile dysfunction? Are you suffering from premature ejaculation? Are you suffering from weak erection? Are you suffering from low sperm count? Infewipe is the answer. Infewipe is the last bus stop. Infewipe is the hope. Hundreds of people have used Infewipe and testified to its potency. You cannot be an exception. Infewipe is the only natural product without any side effect that restore your sexual vitality, and you'll be proud of yourself once again. Use Infewipe and you'll not be glad you did. Use Infewipe and restore your sexual vitality. Use Infewipe and make your wife happy again.